So let's go over some of our specialty ingredients for our Thai cooking class. The first is tamarind concentrate. This is a key ingredient in our pad Thai sauce. You want to make sure that you get the concentrate. You don't want to get the kind that you have to mush down and do all of this stuff to create the concentrate. Concentrate is very dark in color and it's very thick. So you want to get the concentrate. You also want to get one that is a product of Thailand or Vietnam, not India. These do vary widely in taste. So tamarind, it's very sour, and it's from the pulp of the inside of the seed pods of the tamarind tree. So that's what we're using to flavor our pad Thai sauce. Again, just make sure that you look for a brand that is actually a product of Thailand or Vietnam, is brown in color, and is of pourable consistency. So only purchase Thai style tamarind concentrate. You can find this usually in grocery stores or at Asian markets. I'm sure you can also find it online. The other sauce that you want to purchase is a chili garlic sauce. So this is an Asian chili garlic sauce. There's a lot of Asian influence in Thai cooking, and sriracha sauce is really hard to find. So we can substitute this in anywhere that you see sriracha sauce if you can't find sriracha sauce. I personally like this. I think it's really adds a punch of flavor to cooking. So this is just Lee Kim Ki, and you can pretty much find that at any grocery store or Asian market as well. Moving into our oils for cooking, you can either use vegetable oil or peanut oil. For the sugar in our pad Thai sauce, you want coconut palm sugar. So if you can't find coconut palm sugar, this is from Safeway. Most grocery stores carry them. Sometimes you might have to look in the more organic section. Bob's Red Mill also makes a coconut sugar, but this is what you want to look for. If you can't find this, you can also use light brown sugar, and you would just need to pack it. So that's it for sugar. You're also going to need some tomato paste, so make sure you have that on hand. And then as far as our sauces go, or our liquids, you will need rice vinegar. There is a difference between rice vinegar and seasoned rice vinegar. So just regular natural rice vinegar has no sugar in it. Seasoned rice vinegar typically has some type of sugar. Sometimes it's corn syrup. So just keep that in mind. If you only have the seasoned rice vinegar on hand, and you don't want to go out and buy the natural, that's fine. It just means that your rice vinegar is just going to be a little bit sweeter. Soy sauce, you'll need soy sauce. If you are not a fan of soy sauce, you can substitute the liquid aminos. This is a coconut one, but there's also just an original one as well. And then the other item that you will need is fish sauce. If you can find the Red Boat and you want to splurge, I would definitely recommend that. This is what's most readily available in supermarkets. Unfortunately, Thai Kitchen is not a product of Thailand. It's a product of China. So just keep that in mind. As far as our noodles go, we're going to be using two different types of noodles in our class. The vermicelli noodles, these are going to go in our spring rolls. So this is what they look like. And you also want to just, take a look at who makes them. You can see on the back of the packaging here that this is produced in Thailand. So that will be for our spring rolls. And then for our pad Thai, we need pad Thai noodles. There are lots of different pad Thai noodles. out there, but you want the thinner pad thai noodle, which looks like this. Grocery stores, again, they're going to carry the Thai kitchen noodles. That's fine if you want to use those. Just keep in mind that if you look at the back here, that it's a product of China and not Thailand, whereas these are a product of Thailand. These ones are very flat sticks, but what you're looking for is the Djiboutian rice sticks, and I probably slaughtered saying that. This is how it is spelled on the packaging. So it's either going to be spelled this way or it's going to be spelled with a CHANTABOON. But again, just, look for something that is a product of Thailand. These are a little bit whiter than the Thai kitchen noodles. These are also very expensive. These are like $9 right now at Safeway, whereas these were, I think it was $3 for a whole package, and I've already used half of this. So just keep that in mind. Again, you want to make sure they're for pad thai, that they're rice, rice noodles. So just take a look at the packaging. These ones you can find at Fred Meyer. These ones, the Thai Kitchen, you can find at Safeway. As well as you can find this or something similar to this at your Asian market. Again, the ones that are made in Thailand are much cheaper than the Thai Kitchen brand, which is actually a product of China. All right, so that is our noodles. And then for our spring rolls, we also need some rice paper. So this is what that looks like. This is a product of Vietnam. So again, looking for products that are either from Thailand or Vietnam. And this is going to be what we dip in water and then roll our spring rolls in. So this is the rice paper. These ones fit perfectly in a 9-inch pie plate, which we're going to use for dipping in water. As far as some of our specialty produce goes, you'll need a shallot, and this is what a shallot looks like. It's much milder than a regular onion. You're also going to need some daikon. Daikon is great for salads. It's not as strong as a regular radish. A red radish is a little more peppery, whereas this one is very mild and slightly sweet. And this is what we're using to make our preserved radish. So this is what they look like. Sometimes they're smaller. This one was from Safeway. Typically, if I get them from Fred Meyer, they're a lot smaller. So just keep in mind, we don't need a ton of it for our preserved radish, but you can also use it in salads. You can use it in stir fries. And then you're going to also need some Thai basil, not regular Italian basil, but Thai basil. Again, for our spring rolls. And then as far as bean sprouts go, you want to get the mung bean sprouts. These are great for our pad thai, and they're not soybean based. So these are prepackaged in the refrigerated section. So that is it for our specialty ingredients.